Lanternflies are a serious threat to the environment. What exactly are lanternflies and why are they important? They are considered an invasive species in many areas. Lanternflies can cause significant damage to crops and plants. They spread quickly and can infest new areas rapidly. Research and control methods are being developed to manage them. Community efforts are vital in controlling their population. Protecting our ecosystem is crucial for future generations. Stay informed and help spread awareness about lanternflies. Understanding their life cycle can help in prevention. Many plants are affected, impacting biodiversity. Effective solutions are needed to combat this issue. Healthy gardens can thrive without the threat of lanternflies. Trapping methods are being used to reduce their numbers. Enjoy nature and help protect it from invasive species. Join the fight against lanternflies and make a difference. Together, we can ensure a healthy future for our ecosystems. End quote. Lanternflies were first discovered by a scientist in the year 2004 in the woodlands of Asia. They are native to China, India, and Vietnam. They became a pest in the United States, causing damage to crops and plants. Efforts are underway to control their spread. Communities are working together to educate. Understanding their life cycle is crucial. Research continues to fight against them. They impact our ecosystems significantly. They feed on a variety of plants. Report any sightings to local authorities. Together we can manage this issue. Let's protect our environment for future generations. Lanternflies are originally from Asia. They thrive in temperate climates. They feed on various trees. They have spread to the United States, first spotted in Pennsylvania. They damage local ecosystems. Feeding causes weakened trees. Efforts to control their spread, understanding their life cycle is key. Research is ongoing to fight them. Protecting native species is crucial. Community awareness is essential. We must stay vigilant against them. Together we can protect our environment. Let's stop the spread of lanternflies. The spotted lanternfly is a striking insect. Its wings are colorful with distinct patterns. The body is primarily black with white spots. When it opens its wings, bright red appears. Originally, this insect is native to Asia. It has become a destructive pest in new areas. They feed by sipping the sap from plants. Understanding its life cycle is essential. This invasive species poses ecological threats. It's easy to identify with its bold colors. It is spreading rapidly across various regions. Effective trapping methods can help control them. Damage to plants can be severe from feeding. Public awareness is key to managing this pest. Stay informed about the lanternfly's impact. We must protect our ecosystems from harm. Together, we can manage the lanternfly threat. Maintaining balance in ecosystems is crucial. Stay vigilant and help protect our plants. The lanternfly is a significant pest. Life stages include eggs and nymphs. Eggs are laid in masses on surfaces. Nymphs feed on the sap of plants. Adults are colorful and larger insects. Feeding damages the plants they infest. The life cycle is continuous throughout seasons. Protect your plants from these pests. Check for infestations regularly to control. Natural predators can help manage populations. Control methods include traps and sprays. Community involvement is key to success. The impact on agriculture is severe and costly. Education is essential for effective management. Protect our environment together for Lanternflies are a serious threat to crops. They damage plants and trees extensively. Farmers face challenges in protecting their life cycle is rapid and destructive. Vineyards are heavily impacted by these pests. Pest control measures are essential for farmers. Healthy crops are vital for our food supply. Economic losses from lanternflies are significant. Community action is needed to combat them. Education about lanternflies is key for prevention. Protecting our ecosystem is crucial for balance. Plant diversity helps resist pests like these. Removing them safely can minimize damage. A thriving farm benefits everyone in the community. Together, we can fight back against lanternflies. Lanternflies primarily feed on various types of trees. Their preferred trees include the ailanthus, oak, and maple. Ailanthus altissima, also known as tree of heaven, is a favorite. Oak trees provide essential nutrients for their growth. Maple trees are another key food source for lanternflies. These insects suck sap from the leaves and stems. This feeding can weaken and damage the trees significantly. It's crucial to protect your plants from lanternflies. Be aware of your surroundings and check for signs of infestation. Regular inspections can help control their population. Look out for their egg masses during the fall season. Consider calling pest control if the infestation is severe. Protecting your garden ensures its health and beauty. Join conservation efforts to combat lanternfly spread. Stay informed and prepared to protect your plants. The spotted lanternfly is a unique pest. They can cause significant damage to plants. Let's compare it with other lanternfly species. There are many types of lanternflies. Different species have distinct feeding habits. Understanding their life cycle is crucial. Identifying their egg masses helps control them. Effective control measures can reduce their impact. Maintaining balance in the ecosystem is vital. Stay informed and take action against them. In summary, understanding lanternflies is important. Together we can protect our plants and trees. Community efforts play a key role in control. Join the fight against the spotted lanternfly. Together we can make a difference for our environment. Thank you for watching and staying informed. The lanternfly is an invasive species. Originally from Asia, it spreads quickly. It attacks trees and plants, damaging them, resulting in economic loss for farmers. Spreading rapidly across many states, it is hard to control and eradicate. Public awareness is crucial to combat. To protect our ecosystems from harm, stay informed and act now to help. Together we can fight back against them. Protect our nature for the future generations. Join the fight against the lanternfly invasion. Learn more at your local resources for help. Lanternfly infestations impact our economy. Economic loss for farmers is significant. Vineyards are at risk of devastation. Crop damage is severe and widespread. Local markets suffer from reduced supply. The effects are wide-ranging and serious. Researchers are seeking solutions urgently. Community efforts are needed to combat this. Policy interventions are required for action. Education is key to prevention strategies. Egg control strategies must be implemented. Effective management practices are essential. Workshops for awareness can help combat. Healthy crops must be protected for the future. Natural predators can help control populations. Nature must be preserved for generations. Thriving ecosystems benefit everyone involved. Future plans must prioritize sustainability. This video covers methods to control lanternfly populations. First, identify infestations on trees and plants. Protect healthy trees from lanternfly attacks. Use insect traps to capture lanternflies effectively. Apply pesticides according to instructions for control. Conduct regular inspections of plants and trees. Engage in community efforts to reduce populations. Educate others about lanternfly identification and control. Explore natural control methods for sustainability. Introduce beneficial insects that prey on lanternflies. Spread awareness about the impact of lanternflies. Work towards restoring healthy ecosystems after control. Learn from success stories in lanternfly control efforts. Remember, teamwork is essential for effective control. Together, we can hope for a lanternfly-free future. Natural predators can help control lanternflies. Ladybugs are effective in reducing their numbers. Praying mantis are also known for their appetite. Spiders can capture and feed on lanternflies. Many birds will eat lanternflies when available. Parasitic wasps can lay eggs in them. A balanced ecosystem promotes natural control. Protecting nature helps manage lanternfly populations. Join the effort to support natural predators. Educate yourself on pest control strategies. Get the community involved in prevention. Protecting habitats is crucial for biodiversity. Adopt sustainable practices for better control. Know the impact of lanternflies on ecosystems. Together we can protect our natural environment. Save our ecosystems by supporting nature. Get involved today for a sustainable future. Current research focuses on understanding lanternflies. Monitoring strategies are essential for tracking populations. Drones provide aerial views of infested regions. Data collection helps in understanding infestation patterns. Understanding their spread impacts agricultural practices. Crop damage from lanternflies can be significant. Sharing findings with communities aids in prevention. Community engagement is crucial for effective management. Successful control strategies reduce lanternfly populations. Research on the life cycle informs management practices. Identifying eggs is vital for early intervention. Utilizing natural predators can help control populations. Collaborative research enhances our understanding of pests. Future strategies must adapt to changing environments. Community involvement is essential for successful monitoring. Protecting ecosystems is our ultimate goal against lanternflies. Identify the lanternfly and its features. Inspect your trees regularly for signs. Document your finds with pictures. Protect your plants from invasive pests. Use insecticide carefully and responsibly. Clean your tools after gardening activities. Dispose of waste properly to prevent spread. Educate your community about lanternflies. Report sightings to local authorities. Seal outdoor items to prevent hitchhikers. Share information online to raise awareness. Remove eggs when you find them. Encourage native species in your garden. Stay informed about pests in your area. Join local efforts to combat lanternflies. Protect our environment for future generations. Together, we can make a difference. The lanternfly is a serious threat. Infestations are spreading rapidly. Agricultural damage is extreme. Farmers are in crisis. Egg masses are difficult to spot. Pesticides are commonly used. Community efforts are essential. Spread is a growing concern. Future impacts are uncertain. Research is ongoing. Prevention methods are crucial. Education is key. Ecological balance is threatened. Collaboration is vital. Together we can make a difference.